Are you ready to explore one of the world's most exciting cities? From royal palaces to buzzing food markets, this is your ultimate London walking tour. We're taking you through 12 unforgettable spots, the landmarks, the hidden gems, the moments that make London magical. So grab your virtual walking shoes and let's dive right in. Today, we start at the iconic Tower Bridge, a symbol of London's strength and history. Opened in 1894, it's a marvel of Victorian engineering, showcasing the ingenuity of the era. Watch as it gracefully lifts for tall ships, allowing them to pass through the heart of the city, and take in the breathtaking city skyline from its high-level walkway, offering panoramic views of London. Next, we venture to the historic Tower of London. Nearly 1,000 years old, this fortress has witnessed centuries of British history. It was once a royal palace, home to kings and queens. Later, it became a prison, holding some of the most famous and infamous figures in history. And even a zoo. Imagine the exotic animals that once roamed these grounds. Today it guards the dazzling crown jewels, symbols of the British monarchy's power and prestige, and is watched over by the famous beefeaters, the ceremonial guardians of the tower. Now onward to St. Paul's Cathedral, a true architectural masterpiece. It's crowned by its world-famous dome, an iconic feature of the London skyline. Designed by the brilliant Sir Christopher Wren, it stands as a testament to his genius. Rebuilt after the Great Fire, it's a masterpiece of dedication and beauty, a symbol of London's resilience. Step inside for the awe-inspiring Whispering Gallery, a unique acoustic marvel. Whisper on one side ever so softly and be heard clearly on the other. It's an experience you won't forget. These incredible landmarks are just the perfect start to our unforgettable London adventure. Look up, that's the Shard, Western Europe's tallest building. Head to the top for breathtaking views of London stretching for miles. Feeling hungry? Borough Market awaits, bursting with global street food, fresh bread and lively energy. Grab a bite, soak up the atmosphere, and let's continue. Now, Trafalgar Square, London's vibrant meeting point. Admiral Nelson stands tall above the crowds, watched over by majestic lions. The square buzzes with music, street performers and celebrations. Sit by the fountains, watch the world go by and feel the pulse of the city. Just off Trafalgar Square, the National Gallery beckons, a treasure trove of artistic brilliance. It stands as a beacon for art lovers from around the globe, inviting everyone to step inside and explore centuries of creativity. And the best part, free entry to masterpieces by Van Gogh, allowing you to get up close and personal with some of the most iconic paintings ever created. Da Vinci offering a glimpse into the mind of a true Renaissance genius. And Monet. His water lilies are a sight to behold. It's a quiet escape from the city's hustle, perfect for a moment of inspiration and reflection. Next, Leicester Square, the vibrant heart of cinema, where the silver screen comes to life. Always alive with premieres, adding a touch of glamour to the city. And don't forget the talented street performers who bring an extra dose of entertainment to the square. Stroll through its charming gardens, a green oasis amidst the urban landscape. Spot Shakespeare's statue, a tribute to the bard himself, and simply enjoy the buzz of this iconic London location. A short and pleasant walk brings us to Covent Garden, once a bustling fruit market, steeped in history and tradition. Now it's a vibrant hub of shops, offering everything from souvenirs to high-end fashion. Cafes, perfect for a relaxing break and a spot of people watching. And of course, brilliant street acts that will leave you amazed. Opera singers filling the square with their powerful voices, jugglers showcasing incredible feats of skill and dexterity, and magicians ready to astound you with their illusions. All of this fills the air with applause and laughter, creating a truly magical atmosphere. Inside the historic market building, discover unique crafts, perfect for finding that special souvenir, and tempting treats, guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth. Covent Garden is also home to, adding a touch of elegance to the area, the Grand Royal Opera House, a cultural landmark. All in all, a true London delight, offering something for everyone. Still with me on this incredible journey through London? I hope you're enjoying the sights and sounds as much as I am. Let's dash to Piccadilly Circus, a vibrant hub that truly captures the essence of London's bustling atmosphere. It's famous for its dazzling lights, a spectacle that illuminates the night sky and draws visitors from all corners of the globe. And of course, the iconic statue of Eros, a symbol of love and beauty that stands proudly in the heart of the circus. It's a gateway to the dazzling West End theatres, where world-class performances await. And just a stone's throw away is Regent Street, a shopper's paradise filled with luxury stores and flagship brands. Now, on to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the Queen. It's the monarch's grand London home, a symbol of British history and tradition. Be sure to catch the changing of the guard if you can. It's a real treat. A spectacle of British tradition, complete with marching bands and immaculate uniforms. Our final steps lead to Westminster, the political heart of the United Kingdom. Listen closely for Big Ben's chimes, a sound that resonates throughout the city, and marvel at the majestic Abbey, a Gothic masterpiece, where kings and queens are crowned and where centuries of history have unfolded. These landmarks capture London's spirit, a blend of history etched in every stone, pageantry, a display of royal tradition, and modern energy, a city that never sleeps. Thank you for joining this whirlwind tour. I hope you've enjoyed this brief glimpse into the heart of London. Until next time, cheerio. If you enjoyed the tour, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and turn on the bell for more amazing travel guides. See you in the next city.